What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon putting work. And today we're talking about how to start an Airbnb management company. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to start an Airbnb management company. I like it, man. I like it a lot. All right, so wait. Also, hold up. Stop the press. Hold up. Check out all the links in the description, man. All right, I got links in there, a lot of goodies in there. You know what I mean? So definitely check out the links in the description. We got the Wealth Builders newsletter. We got the Wealthbuilderz System that teach you how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. All right, we got all my social media contacts, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. Any way you want to get in contact with your boy, it's in the link in the description. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's talk about Airbnb, right? What is an Airbnb? For those of you who don't know, Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with people who are looking for accommodations in that local area. Okay, it currently covers more than 81,000 cities and 191 countries worldwide. The reason Airbnb is so popular is because it's not like hotels where you got to be kind of off to the cut in certain cities or away from the attractions or pay a hefty price to be close to attractions. Sometimes, and a lot of times, if you live within a neighborhood in a city, a lot of times you're closer to the attractions than the hotel is, right? And it'll cost less to go to Airbnb instead of doing the regular hotel, motel type of thing, right? Right. That's why Airbnb is so popular. There are multiple videos on YouTube you can find that teach you how to use Airbnb and make some real income without owning any property. Literally, this is one of the easiest ways to get paid semi-passively. Now, let's talk about who should start an Airbnb management company, okay? Anybody can start an Airbnb management company, but you want to do things that interest you, right? So anyone interested in getting started in real estate, starting an Airbnb property management company is probably one of the easiest and the most profitable ways to get started nowadays, okay? Anyone with a real estate license, and depending on the state, you can probably do this without having a real estate license to do it with. But the key is always do your research for your particular state and find out what the requirements are to start this type of business. You want to always find out the requirements. You don't want to just go by some guy on YouTube. Okay? All right. So let's make that clear. Before doing anything else when starting an Airbnb property management company, you should research what companies in your local area are charging for this service and try to provide the service for less than most companies out there. But most are charging 30% of rental revenue to manage Airbnb properties. Now, the question is, how do you find these Airbnb landlords, right? Well, it's a bunch of different ways to do so. You can send postcards to a list of vacant rental properties in the area. You can post on Craigslist.com, or you can easily search for properties that are looking for renters but don't have a property management or manager handling it for them. Okay, so you send out emails to homeowners looking to rent the properties and explain to them how much they can make with Airbnb properties. Because it's quite easier to have Airbnb tenants than it is to get a regular 1-year lease type tenant. Now, what you're selling to the landlords is your service, your property management services, and resolving any issues the landlord doesn't want to deal with. Okay, market rentals to grow reservations, supplying ads with exceptional pictures and descriptions as part of your service, maintaining a calendar of reservations to prevent double bookings and view upcoming rentals. That's something you should do. Clean rentals, restock necessities, and explain house rules to new guests. Answer guest questions and meet with guests to exchange keys at the beginning of stays. Perform routine and emergency maintenance on properties also. Okay, so basically of you are the eyes and ears of the landlord. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're trying to start an Airbnb property management company, because you want to realize that you are the owner's lifeline. Okay, so and vice versa. Now let's go in detail how much you can make with this type of business. Well, the average Airbnb property manager that works for a property management company makes around $57,000 or $28 per hour, which is a nice piece of change to do this type of job. Okay, you're not rich, but you're living pretty average. Okay, and depending where you live, $57,000 can be a good salary. Now, that's working for someone else, right? So, if you can do this yourself, the money can actually double or even triple for you if you put in the work, if you believe in yourself and really focus on building your own business. This is definitely a semi-passive business to do it yourself. It can turn into a passive stream of income if you start to outsource the day-to-day business and you just concentrate on building clientele. So there you have it. This is how to start an Airbnb management company. If you want more insight on the topic, check out the blog posting link in the description. Okay, go to the Wealthbuilderz blog, check it out. The link will be in the description, like I just stated. Also, check out all the other links in my description, like I stated from the beginning of this video. All right, so thanks for watching and subscribing and liking the video. It's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Putting Work Burke, signing off for how to start an Airbnb management company. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.